Gas Connect Zambia. For your cooking gas requirements, we have you covered. Anything that you require, we'll be able to sort it out. So you may come through, we'll show you one of the sites we are doing our plumbing. So this will be the main kitchen where we're cooking from. So you may come through, we'll show you what we have here. So we've got 2-plate gas stove, which has already been fitted in. So what we are yet to do, we are yet to actually run piping inside the kitchen cabinets, then it will run all the way to the outside. Your cylinder needs to actually be outside where there is enough ventilation. So run piping while it is concealed in the cupboard so that you don't have any distortion in your kitchen where the cylinders will be. Yet to show you on that. We've got a 2-plate gas stove that's here, which is supported by a 4-plate electric stove with the extractor being here. So the piping has been run underneath the cabinet coming in here. We've got 6 apartments, the ones that we've done gas installations for. So all of them, so what you have is you're walking in from the garage, you have your cylinder here. This is where you have the cylinder where you're getting your gas supply. So the gas is being supplied going to the inside. So you can come through and see how the pipe is run. So this is your piping which is coming through to be able to supply gas. Then you've got an internal safety valve that you have on the inside. So once you close this valve, then you don't have gas on the inside. So the advantage of you being able to have an internal safety valve from the inside, you don't have the hassle of having to go in and outside to open and close your gas. So your cylinder always be left open on the outside. So what you do, look at this. So you see, your stove is on at the moment. The moment you just turn off the valve, then your gas is cut off. This is a metal cage where you will have your cylinder will be secured in here, then you connect to the piping where you go and supply the gas. So the reason why we're having this metal cage installed is your cylinder has to be outside where it's well ventilated. You don't want to put it in a confined space where if you have a leakage, you've got chances of having explosion or fire. So you have your cylinder on the outside where there's enough ventilation, and it's secured in a metal cage so that the kids around, they don't come and jump around and play around with the cylinder, or you don't have anyone trying to come and lift your cylinder and go out with it. So your cylinder always very secured in the metal cage. So you have piping that has been run underneath the kitchen cabinet, so you don't have any distortion of piping in the kitchen. So this is the 2-burner gas stove, which is supporting a 4-plate electric stove. Then what we get to have, since your cylinder will be on the outside, it will always be open. You have your internal safety valve where you'll be opening and closing your gas flow. So in an event of any accident, any challenge you have, you don't have to run to the outside for you to open and close your cylinder. You get to open and close from the internal safety valve. The reason why I would advise you to use gas for cooking is because gas is more convenient compared to using any other sources of energy. The other sources of energy that we have, we've got charcoal, we've got wood, we've got electricity. But the one that's most advantageous is LPG. LPG is quick in heating, LPG is clean, so you don't get to have any soot on your pot, you don't get to have any smoke, there's no carbon dioxide that is produced compared to you having to use charcoal and having to use wood. Yes, you might have an electric stove, you are used to using electricity, but now there's a second option, there's cooking gas. Imagine there's heavy downpour, electricity is gone, you are unable to cook, but with gas, it's quick ignition, quick heat, and you'll be able to prepare your meals within your convenience. So if you're thinking of using gas for your cooking, all you need to do, just get in touch with us. You can get in touch with us by searching Gas Connect Zambia. Find us on our Facebook page. Find us also on Google. Just search for Gas Connect Zambia. You can contact us on 0968 711901. So you have not used gas before and you are interested in using that. All you do, once you get in touch with us, you'll be able to explain to us what you want to use it for, the size of family that you have, and you'll be able to prepare a package that is suitable for your family. So what we'll do for you, we'll advise you the size of stove you can use, the size of cylinder you'll be able to use, and we'll be able to come to your home to do a delivery and do the installation for you.